written, well researched. In my initial interview, I did make mention that whatever decision the court makes, we will comply with it, and we stick to that. And so in a democracy, the rule of law is very important. It protects the rights of citizens, whether you're an individual or a company. And so for me, as a lawyer, it is my duty to ensure that I represent my clients to the best of my ability. If I do not do that, then I go against democracy and I go against my oath. And so like I said, everyone has the right to legal representation, even including those who have been accused of serious offenses or atrocious offenses. They have a right to legal representation, and not just legal representation of their choice. So we should not shun anyone who actually appears before the court and seeks legal representation to say, you should not have a lawyer represent you. It is a constitutional right. So based on that, we are grateful. We came and we put up a good fight. Like I said, once you read the judgment, you will see. And we believe that the courts have spoken, and we shall duly do what the courts have said. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.